Karibu to Shamba Shape Up Safari.
With the potatoes sorted, it's time I took Sarah to meet our next expert, Anne from Azuri. Sarah is paying a lot of money to light the house at night. And so we've asked Anne to explain how Azuri's solar home lighting system can help. So Sarah, please tell the expert the problems you're having with your lighting.
We don't have enough light, actually, because I have school-going children who like to do their homework in the evening. So in that case, I use a lantern lamp. And it also causes some pollution, which is not good for the children. Okay. Right now, I'm using a generator, which is expensive to run, and at times it breaks down. So in that case, I use a lantern lamp.
When you mentioned about the generator, how much roughly do you spend, at least on a daily basis?
I spend around 500 shillings.
That's a lot of money.
It is a lot.
And also there are repairs when it breaks down.
Yes.
That's another expense. And for entertainment, or to know at least what is happening in the country?
No, I'm just in a blackout.
Oh my goodness, that must be very hard.
Anne, I'm sure you have a solution.
Yes, Tony, I do have a solution. We have the Azuri Solar TV today that comes also with a solar panel. It comes with the lights, it comes with the torch and a radio, as well as charging cables that she can use to charge her phone.
How does it work?
So with us is a solar panel.
That's big.
It's a 50-watt solar panel that is able to power all these items. That means you no longer have to buy petrol for your generator or be afraid when it breaks down of extra cost. Because remember, you said you're spending 500 per day. The solar panel now is able to get the light from the sun, and we're able to power our battery. Just show you how that works. So we have this wire, the cable that comes from the panel that you're going to mount to your roof, and we're able to connect it, and you're able to store all the energy from the sun here. So the next thing we have that is powered by the same battery, we have the 4 bulbs. All right, these are very bright, and you also have an individual switch for this, and now we can press the switch and the light goes on. And remember, you're using free power from the sun. No more kerosene for the lantern, or no more petrol for the generator.
And it's very bright.
Exactly.
Did you see that?
Yeah, very bright.
Very bright.
We have a solar-powered radio that is also charged from the same control panel, which is a battery.
Wow.
And it's the exact same thing that you do with your phone. So again, you do not have to worry when the generator breaks down. You're able to charge multiple types of phones within your household. I also have a small surprise for you. I know sometimes you go out to the market and you're coming home late. So we'll have a small torch for you that you can carry in your handbag. And again, you just need to twist it, and you're able to see as you're walking around.
It's nice.
Wow.
Yes.
Also solar.
Yes, it's all solar powered as well.
And now for the moment I'm sure you've been waiting for.
Yes.
I'm seeing a TV.
Yes, Tony. We have a digital TV, and you're able to get entertainment throughout the day.
Now for the TV, how many hours can the family watch?
When the battery is fully charged, you can watch up to 6 hours. So you see now there'll be lots of savings, because now you're saving from the phone charging, the petrol for your generator, kerosene for the lanterns, and also batteries for your radio. So there's a lot of savings on a daily basis.
Okay, let's install it.
All right, let's do it.
The system is installed by Azuri technical team for free. It comes with a satellite dish, providing access to over 50 television and over 20 radio channels through one of the biggest satellite TV services available in Kenya. It can be paid for in cash or with a deposit of 4,999 Kenyan shillings, followed by 1 month advance payment and a further 130 Kenyan shillings weekly payments. So, where an average farmer might spend 60 shillings a day on paraffin, the Azuri system will cost 99 shillings a day. But this also includes a television, 4 lights, a radio, and a torch. And after the payments end, using the system is totally free.